Hey guys, do you ever dream of making a giant Hollywood movie with huge explosions and cool monsters? Me too. But building big movie sets with real clay takes forever. Until now. This is Google Flow. Think of it as a magic clay oven. It doesn't bake cookies, it bakes whole movies.
Are they ready yet, Grandma?
Just a few more minutes, sweetheart.
I can't wait!
The best part? You don't need to sculpt. You just feed it ideas.
Bring your
or
ideas
prompts.
to life.
You simply tell it what you want. Like, make a super cool movie clip of an ACAT riding a skateboard on Mars. Now that's cool.
Welcome to the future of content creation. Ready for the magic?
You just press a button and the oven gives you the movie. Look at that detail. I didn't sculpt any of that.
Okay, I see what you're doing. Keep going.
But what if you need that exact character, like our friend Clay Guy?
I was worried it would fail. But now the oven knows exactly what to do.
To stay the same person in every scene. Normally, AI forgets. But with grounding ingredients, you just stick a picture of your hero or their key items right onto the oven. Now the oven knows that specific character.
Yes, I agree. Absolutely.
That makes sense.
Yes.
That's it. Google Flow makes you a director, just using your words.
Ready for the magic.
No sculpting required. What movie are you gonna wish for?
Fresh from the oven, the wish reel is done.
Looks absolutely perfect. Great job.
Now, let's let it roll. Oh my God, it is actually real.
Welcome to my clay world. As you can see, everything here is molded by hand. It takes a lot of patience to bring a character like me to life. But I think the results are absolutely worth it. Now take a look at this. This is Google Flow on my tablet. A single continuous shot makes it cinematic. Our philosophy is simple. If a 10-year-old can't understand it, we haven't done our job. Thanks for watching. Give us the thumbs up if you found value in what you saw today, and subscribe for more.